Welcome to our guide on how to use simple spices to boost your health and wellness. Spices have been used for centuries not just to flavor food, but also for their medicinal properties. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains curcumin, which can help reduce inflammation and improve brain function. To use turmeric, simply add a teaspoon to your soups, stews, or smoothies. You can also make turmeric tea by boiling water, adding a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper which enhances curcumin absorption, and a dash of honey for sweetness. Ginger is great for digestion and can help with nausea and muscle pain. It's also anti-inflammatory. Grate fresh ginger into your tea, or add a teaspoon of powdered ginger to your cooking. You can make a soothing ginger tea by boiling sliced ginger in water for 10 minutes and adding lemon and honey. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels and has antioxidant properties. Sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, yogurt, or add it to your coffee. You can also make cinnamon tea by steeping a cinnamon stick in hot water for a few minutes. Garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties and can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Crush fresh garlic and add it to your dishes. For a simple garlic tea, crush a clove of garlic and steep it in hot water for 10 minutes, then add honey and lemon. Black pepper enhances the absorption of other beneficial compounds and has digestive benefits. Add freshly ground black pepper to your meals. It's a perfect companion to turmeric for maximum health benefits. Incorporating these simple spices into your daily routine can contribute significantly to your overall health and wellness. Start experimenting today and enjoy the benefits of these natural wonders.